What's the meaning of clarsach? Clarsach. Clarsach.
Clarsach. Clarsach. Clarsach is a Gaelic word that refers to a traditional Scottish harp. The instrument has a distinctive shape, with a curved neck and a large resonating chamber, and is typically strung with wire strings. Historically, the clarsach was an important part of Celtic music and culture, and was often used to accompany folk songs and ballads. Today, the clarsach remains a popular instrument among Scottish musicians, both as a solo instrument and in ensembles. Its unique sound and rich history continue to make it a beloved part of Scottish musical tradition.